Are you searching for the best stone polishing machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best stone polishing machine in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, 350W Stone Polishing Machine DIY Woodworking Jade Jewelry Dental Bench Lathe Machine. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Lihuachen M2 Knife Sharpener Electric Professional Knife and Tool. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3. High Power Bench Grinder Electric Woodworking Jade Carving Polishing Machine, Stepless Speed Regulation, Stable Output, 800W High Power Output, 8mm Mounting Shaft, Maximum Diameter of Polishing Wheel 75mm, Operating Voltage, 220-240V, Speed Range, about 800 to 10,000 revolutions, Machine Power, 800W, Applicable Materials, Jade Amber, Wood, Olive Kernel, Metal, etc.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Best Polishing Machine DIY Woodworking Jade Jewelry Bench Lathe Motor Grinding Machine. Features, easy to use, a strong suction unit for polishing lathe, manufactured in compliance with health and safety rules required, complete with 2 spindles, ideal for jewelry tools, jewelry equipment, jewelry machine, polishing motor, polishing equipment, buffing motor, buffing machine, abrasive equipment, and so on.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. VEVOR Flexible Jewelry Polishing Machine Rotary Stone Carving Tool. Features, details, full copper motor. The 230W pure copper motor provides 18,000 RPM speed for the flex shaft grinder. It features high stability and low noise for elaborate work. Also, it comes with a heat vent to keep the machine from overheating and burning to prolong its service life. High precision flex shaft. The flex shaft rotary tool has a high precision 3-jaw chuck for higher compatibility and strong clamping force. What's more, the 100 cm rubber flexible shaft features good extensibility for precise connections. Stepless speed foot pedal. The ABS plastic foot pedal for the flex shaft hanging grinder is more secure than ordinary materials. It blocks rapid heat production and transfers. In addition, there is a screw on the pedal that can be used to adjust the constant speed and rotating speed. Multi-purpose accessories. This flexible shaft grinder is equipped with many accessories that can be used for cutting, drilling, polishing, deburring, etc. The steel wire brush, abrasive stone, sanding paper disc, mandrel, sanding sleeve, storage box, chuck key, and wrench all meet your different needs. Versatile use scenarios. Our flexible shaft rotary tool is a professional tool for finishing, polishing, adding textures, and reaching small spaces and delicate areas. It is suitable for different processing sites and materials, such as metal, wood, stone, jewelry, etc.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.